Hi guys, welcome to Mariah's World of Happiness. Today I'm gonna be opening l.o.l surprise. l.o.l is like balls. And then there's a surprise inside. You can maybe get a pet surprise or a doll. Then there's also some giant ones. So now let's open. Let's open this one first. The pet surprise. I'm so excited. Wait. First let's remove that plastic and so if you're gonna open it, there's a zipper. You can open it from the zipper. So let's open it. Oh! Let's twist it. Ooh, there's more l.o.l surprise. I think there's no code. Nothing? Okay. So here's the second one. Oh, it's this way. Okay, this is the zipper. Oh, there's this one. Let's see what's this. Oh, maybe your l.o.l surprise can color change, spit, cry, or pee. Here's the stickers. Let's open it up. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is the code. I got best show. Best show. Let's see what we got. We got the sand. Maybe we're gonna find the shoes of the pet. This is weird. It's a small one. It's a small one. So cute. Whoa. This might be. What's this? Let's fix it. Let me try to fix it. I know how to fix it. This wasn't hard. There you go. Now let's dig. Because maybe she has some shoes inside. Here's the sand. Maybe there's shoes. Oopsies. No. I feel something here. I think I felt something here. There's supposed to be a surprise here, but I guess there's nothing. I don't feel anything. Wait, this is so cute. Look. She comes with the glasses. Maybe this will fit her. Look at her. Oh, so cute. Let's open the next one. Let's open this one up. Ooh, there's a surprise. I got, let me see this. Cool as ice. Cool as ice. Let's open. Wait, there's nothing. Okay, now let's open it from the zipper. There's something. Oh, this must be like the stickers. This is hard. Jeez. Oops, there, got it. Finally got it. Oh, it's not the collector's guide. It's just some of the plastic. Well, Here it is. Here's the sticker. Yay. Let's open the next one. Wait, where was I? Oh yeah, let's open the zipper now. Oh, here's the zipper. It's kind of Ooh, I got the golden ball. Open the next one. It says, I grant wishes. Okay. The I grant wishes. Yes, and then she said, let me out. So cute. Where's that zipper? Okay, here it is. Ooh. Let's open the last one. Ah. Oops. And I found the bottle. First, let's open the top one. Top one. Ooh. Oh, I also got a sparkly dress. Look at that. I think it's a top and a dress. Now let's get the bottle opened. Open up. Here's the bottle. It's purple and blue. Now let's go. Oh! There's teeny weeny shoes. Look at that. I feel something inside. This is a doll now. Come on, open up. Open up. It won't open. There you go. Where's the body? We got her. We can also get little sisters. Let's open her up and let's fix her. Let's fix her. There you go. We got her. Oh, my hands is already glittery from her hair. Look at her. Oh, she also got like a headband. Maybe it's cat ears. Something. Let's put it on. Maybe this belongs to someone else because I saw there's also a devil here and this looks like a devil headband. So let's save this. And let's get her clothes on. Look at her. She also got sparkly clothes. Open her up and the clothes on. First, let's put on her top. That's kind of hard to put. Oh. Look at her cute skirt. Maybe it's a small outfit for her. Let's just leave her skirt. Her outfit is too small. Look. Can't even go put it on or something. Okay, let's open this one now. We got one more to open. After we open this one. Boom! 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 Here's it! Here it is. We got Sick Beat. Sick Beat. We got the bottle. Got the bottle. Now it's the shoes. Wet shoes. Who did we get? Oh, look at this. Let's open it. This was a hard one. Look at her. She's nice. There's also a dress. There's also like this dress. A pink glittery dress. Let's put on her dress. There you go. She got her dress on. Look at her. She's nice and pink. Let's open this now. This is our last one and then we will open the two big ones. Wait, come back here. Not again. I think I see a sparkly dress on the hole. Now let's open the last one. No, last one. Okay. We got a pair of shoes. And a bottle. I think we got a duplicate. Wait. I think we got a duplicate. The same dress. This is weird. Oh, we got a duplicate. Another duplicate. Let's maybe open the shoes. There you go. Here she is. Same thing. I might have a lot of l.o.l dolls here. It's a giant one. Let's open this big one. Remove it from the plastic. It's a giant plastic you got. There you go. Let's open up the ball from the side. The zippers from the side. And here's the plastic. It's a unicorn one. You can see the horn here. Oops, almost fell down. Back. Yay, so excited. Let's open it. Oh, there's some balls. There's also some ponies. Look, there's some ponies. I don't want, oh, because there's a unicorn one. Let's get the pony. It's also glittery, like a unicorn. Here's Rainbow Dash. Let's remove it first. There's a big one, too. It's so... What's up? There you go. Let's open it up. I got two shoes that's glittery. So next, let's open up the gold one. We got a blue glittery dress. We finally got a different color more than pink. Got a green one. We got the bottle. Here's the one. We got cat ears. I wonder what's this for. What's this for? We got cat ears. The unicorn. Look at this. Now we're gonna open the unicorn ball. Ooh! Here's the magnifying glass. Maybe we can read some stuff. Let's see who we got. What? I don't get this. Let's open up this dolly. We got one. Here he is. Open it up. Open it up. Now let's open up this box. Don't know. Whoa, this is cool. This is mystery. Ooh, I got a capsule. There's something inside. Whoa, what was that? What is this? Are these chocolate bars or are these hot dogs? It looks like hot dogs to me. Oh, wait, look, it's like a shopkin. It's like a Hello Kitty shop. That's sweet. You got a blue capsule. Blue capsule. It's like a teapot. It's so tiny. Let's open the next one. There we go. It's a green one. Oh, what are these? These teacups? Or it's like a bowl or something like that. Maybe these are cupcakes. Let's open up the green one. Whoa. Oh, these are mugs in a plate. So cute for the teapot. It's golden egg. I think there's a lot of, whoa, what oh, these are apples. Look how much is it? There's apple, it's so cute. Let's open the last small one. We got a pink one. Pink, pink, pink. What are these? Is this a giant one? Or is this a picture? It's a giant cup. Yeah, it's a small one. Boop. It's a giant one now. It's the same like this one. It's a small and a big one. Whoa, there's some accessories. There's a magnifying glass, has a well. Let me see this. Maybe I can read it. Good heart. It says good heart. We got a brush and clothes, I think. This one got real hair. Cute. Let's get on her clothes. Maybe this one. Look at that. Now let's open up her shop. Got the chairs. There's the fries. Okay, here's the table, a Hello Kitty table. So this is the l.o.l surprise. And here's the two pets. Here's the dolls. So, thanks for watching Mariah's World of Happiness. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!